Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Today we are solving for z given this said equation. Now what we need to do here is to break this z here according to this law. We are going to have z to the power of half squared is the same thing there. Then minus 4z to the half. We just change the said form to the exponential form. Plus 3 is equal to 0. Next, we let y is equal to z to the power of half. Now, we are going to put that y in there. So we are going to get y squared minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we solve for y. We factorize by inspection. Y minus 3, y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we are going to say y is equal to 3 or 1. Right, now we are going to take this y back there because we asked you to find z, not y. So we are going to say, okay, z to the half is equal to 3. Then we square both sides because we just need to get rid of this half to the power of half. So we're going to say z is equal to 9. And then when we put a 1 there, we're going to have z to the half is equal to 1. We do the same thing again. We square and we square there. We are going to get z is equal to 1. Therefore, we can say z is equal to 9 or 1. We've come to the end of this question. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.